Welcome to this DataMaster tutorial. I'm going to show you how easy it is to report square footage on your appraisal assignments using DataMaster. DataMaster gathers all the necessary property data for appraisers to complete their appraisals faster and eliminate costly errors that can delay real estate transactions. Appraisers who use DataMaster Pro consistently rank higher than their peers in accuracy and speed. On the sales comparison grid, you can see the selected square footage for each comp. Right-click on the field or press Ctrl-D to view the data sources. Select the square footage from the data source you want to use to change or validate the data. You can even enter your own measurement. Click Save to update the grid and your digital work file. When you send your data to your form software, the square footage you selected or entered will automatically be entered in the correct field. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.